Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. If you've ever tried to cut wood, install shelves, or even just measure a space for new furniture, you know how important precision is. A small mistake, just a few millimeters off, can ruin an entire project. That's why knowing how to read a tape measure properly is a skill every professional and tradesperson should master. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can measure with total confidence every time. Reading a tape measure is simple if you know the markings. Most have both metric, millimeters, centimeters, and imperial, inches. First, choose your unit. Now let's break down each unit. Let's read a tape measure in millimeters. The smallest lines are millimeters. The longer ones are centimeters. Align the 0 mark. Then count the millimeters to your endpoint. Now centimeters. The numbered lines are centimeters, each equal to 10 millimeters. Align the 0. Find the nearest number, then count extra lines. If you reach the 4th line plus 5 small ones, it's 4.5 centimeters. Finally, inches. The longest numbered lines are inches, with smaller ones showing fractions. Align the 0, find the nearest inch, and count fractions. If you hit the second numbered line, it's exactly 2 inches. A high-quality tape measure makes all the difference. Brands like Stanley, DeWalt, Facom, Metrica, and Makita offer durable, easy-to-read options that professionals trust. Some models even have magnetic hooks or auto-locking mechanisms to make measuring easier and more precise. Understanding how to read a tape measure correctly is a fundamental skill, whether you're on a job site or working in a professional workshop. The right tools and techniques will save time, reduce material waste, and ensure flawless results. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.